Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to cover one of the most uh, you know discussed question about Odoo inventory valuation interim account in Odoo19. Because in Odoo19 entire method is changed, we have no longer those stock input and stock output account settings. So when users or people are asking, like, how do I track what is, pending for billing, what is pending for invoice, where my inventory is, in between, and what valuation is stuck in there. So in Odoo19, definitely a provision has been made how you guys, a user, an accountant, or a functional consultant can check this particular settings. So let's do that quickly and see in Odoo19. I will not go into much deeper into configuration. I have simply give a perpetual inventory valuation method and periodic valuation kept it as manual and using average costing method with valuation account and a journal. That's it. I'm not doing much, and I've set up everything on my product category also to meet with the needs over here, and I'm using a portfolio of test P1, P2 and P3 products right now. Now what is happening when I'm directly jumping into inventory valuation report? I don't have any discrepancies available right now. Everything is perfect in my stock as well as on my balance sheet. So over here I have 668 AED worth of stock, and if I check same thing in my stock valuation report, everything seems perfect. That's good. Now what happened when you are making any sales over here and you just deliver one item, but you are not creating invoice, so your inventory is definitely going to credit, but I don't have any control account here. But when you go and run your valuation report, Odoo will detect because a stock worth of that account is gone out. Hence, it is registering a credit of inventory in variation report versus the variation account to hold the debit. This is identified over here, which you can definitely see when you go to review, and you will find more menus over here where you can see invoices to be issued, and you can see the same amount over here 10.83 which is left invoicing. Hence it is showing in our review report. Perfect. Now on other part, when I make some purchase, let's say I do some PO from my vendor worth test P1, test P2, let's say 5 unit and 5 unit of it, and then I am done with my receipt. I'm not releasing my bills right now. So again, when you run your review report, you will see 139 AED worth of variation, how it comes. So let's go and duplicate our window to check beautiful things Odoo has introduced, bill to receive. So over here, you can see 150 AED worth of bills, which is not created right now. And the second part, which we already seen, 10.83 worth of invoice, which is not created. Hence, the difference of those variation will come over here as 139.17 AED. So this variation you can directly match over here, bill to receive or invoice to be issued, which is nothing but your control account, which is received but not billed amount over here, and then delivered but not invoice amount over here as a part of cost. This cost I have kept it from my studio field, and I have also enabled the cost, hence it is coming here. So don't worry, you can also enable that after using studio. And then Now, if I am done with my invoice, Odoo will remove that discrepancies. Yeah, so if I'm coming over here and run my review report again, I can see the difference of 149.74 AED only, because that particular invoice to be issued is no longer available here. Only bills to receive is available over here. Due to this update of cost, I can see the variation over there. Now if I go and run my purchase order over here in my PO, and I will create the bill right away, then I will not see that discrepancies anymore. Only the discrepancies are available due to the average cost imbalance, and then I am done with my variation passing account, and it is gone now. So 807.17 is my present stock, which is available over here, as well as in my stock report the same will be available here. Everything is matching. Now you will wonder, like, two more review are there: bill not received and invoiced but not delivered. So how you can find those amounts? So let's say if I'm making any particular sales for my test product to any customer, and without deliver, I am creating an invoice right away. So Odoo will book my sales and credit the inventory right away, worth 20.44, so that my stock is the same over here because I haven't delivered anything. And then if I go to accounting and run my review report, yeah, the discrepancy is there. Odoo has registered the decrease of inventory, but in reality, it is not gone out. And then if you go and check over here, you will find the same amount, 20.44, which is coming under your review because you have billed it but not delivered that. So this is again a very useful menu to consider your discrepancies. Like, invoice is done but delivery is not done. Now what you will do, you will just go and deliver that item. Your discrepancy will be gone from this menu as well as from inventory valuation menu also. Perfect. Now if you go and create any new purchase order for your vendor, let's say 2 units, you confirm it and you directly create the bill. So over here for this particular order, I am directly punching my bill. So I am done with my bill right away. Okay, so let me say I'm doing bill for 2 units which I haven't received, and I'm booking the bill right away. And then if I'm running my review report, Odoo will find, yes, you haven't received anything, but you still raised the bill. So inventory is, valuation is there, but physical inventory is not there. And then once you go billed but not received item, you will find those discrepancy amount over here, so that you can see this particular 4 items, purchase, sales, under review report. It is very useful to know any discrepancies between your real stock and your invoice pending, your bill pending, or invoice done or bill done but deliveries and receipts are not done, kind of things over here. So now what I do, I will go to my purchase order where my purchase and bill is already done. Okay, but my receipt is not done. So I validate my receipt and I am done with my receipt. And over here, once I refresh, everything seems perfect. And in my review, bill not received, billed but not received is no more available. So your account is clean. Now based on your present balance sheet, you can see 846.73 AED worth of stock, which will be the same over here, 846.73 AED of stock. So these are the things Odoo has introduced in version 19 to know your discrepancies between stock received but not billed, or invoice, your stock delivered but not invoiced, as well as the vice versa. Sometimes we do advance billing or advance invoice, but we don't do receipt or delivery. Then Odoo will find those gaps very easily with version 19. So this is an advantage in Odoo 19, where you can match exact stock valuation in your report and in your balance sheet with such powerful tool. So guys, if you have any query, do reach out to us on techvaria.com or my YouTube channel or LinkedIn. We welcome your queries and we will happy to help you to set up Odoo 19 stock accounting perfectly from day one. Thank you guys. Good day.